welcome back to my channel. I'm going to cook for today one of my favorite protein, which is chicken. You know, there's a lot of dishes that you can make with the chicken, but today's recipe, I'm gonna share with you and show to you how I make my simple chicken cordon bleu. This dish is really delicious. You know, the melted cheese inside, and then I add thinly sliced sausage and well seasoned, wrapped with the pounded chicken breast. It is really yummy. For sure, once you make it in your home, you're gonna love it. It's my first time to make this, and I feel like I'm going to make it again and again. But before this, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, please. I can't wait to show you guys, so let's go and start cooking.
First thing I did to this chicken, I make a butterfly cut. Then I used a plastic wrap for this. It is perfect to use, it's easy and not messy. To pound here and flatten this chicken breast. Just pound it carefully but don't make it too thin. And now let's start to make this chicken more tasty. I added 1 tablespoon of my super seasoning. If you watch my other recipe video, you know already what it consists of this seasoning. But if not, don't worry, I will write this in my video description. I added also half teaspoon of paprika. And to have a little bit tangy taste, I added half tablespoon of mustard. Actually, it's up to you how much mustard you want to put in. Then rub it all over the chicken. Instead of ham, I used here sausage. Then 2 pieces of Swiss cheese. By using this plastic wrap, just carefully roll the chicken fillet. If this is difficult for you, you can use a toothpick just to make sure chicken will keep closed. Once it is rolled, wrap with clean plastic, secure both sides. Then chill for about 35 minutes. What I'm doing here is a basic 3 steps approach to breading this chicken in order to get it ready to bake. Then I prepared 3 nice sized dishes to use, so this chicken get coated and have room to move around. The flour I use here is just plain. I didn't add any seasoning here because sausages already have taste, and I put already my super seasoning inside, so if I did, it will be salty. Well, if I'm going to use a regular ham, I would love to add my super seasoning or salt and pepper and bit of chili flakes to this flour. Here it is now, my breaded chicken fillet. So instead of using heavy oil, I used here oil spray. I sprayed all over before baking to moisten the coating, and also it gives the golden brown appearance after baking. Wow, this is my chicken cordon bleu. Wow, looks amazing, and I can't wait to taste this. So yummy. Before ending this video, I would like to thanks to Miss Angelo for requesting this chicken cordon bleu. I honestly loved it. And special thanks to Lindsay and Steve McLean for the super quality knives from Cutco. It really makes me feel like I'm a professional chef in my kitchen. I really like to use this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.